Hey guys, I'm redoing this video. It's gonna be the same video I just made, but I left the truck on and I reviewed the audio and it was really bad. You could barely hear anything, so I'm gonna redo it for you guys. So basically, we got the bed on, sort of. As you can see, it's hitting right there. So I'm thinking about just cutting just like, I don't know if I'm just gonna like cut it in a slanted way or cut it like, but the angle of the way it's going so it could sit right and then be pushed over a bit, push forward a bit so it could line up with the holes in the front. Because as you can see, it needs to line up with those holes. But it's gonna be pushed forward as much as possible. Because on my buddy's truck that this bed came off, he didn't have the overload spring, so I don't know if it's gonna, oh, I know it's probably gonna hit the overload springs, the bracket right there, so we're just gonna push it as much as we can that way, and then just push it down, and then just drill new holes and bolt it up wherever it is, as long as the bed's straight and on there, and push as much as possible so we eliminate as much of this gap. But okay, we're gonna be doing an update. So here's what's new on the truck. Obviously there's the bed, which looks absolutely great in my opinion. I love the way it looks. And we ordered 4th gen mirrors last week, or the week after, I mean the week before, and they were the wrong size because, like an idiot I got the wrong year model. I got like the new 4th gen bracket, so it did not fit. I had to return them, ship them back, waited a whole nother week for these ones, and these things are honestly one of the best investments you can make for your 2nd gen Dodge, to make them look a lot more clean, and you get a lot more visibility with these mirrors, in my opinion. So I think next week or someday this month I should be getting a full 5-inch straight pipe exhaust for my buddy. We're gonna just swap exhausts basically, because he has my other bed. There goes someone racing by, but he has my bed, I gave him my bed. We swapped beds. And the bed that I had has a hole for a 4-inch exhaust stack. So he's basically gonna get my exhaust and just put a stack through the bed of his truck. It should look good though. And then we're just gonna run the full 5-inch down the back of the truck and put a big 8 to 10-inch tip. I still don't know yet. We want to be a lot more dramatic and more noticeable. We'll go with the 10-inch tip, 5 to 10. And next thing we ordered was the grill. This one's not plastied up like the other one. This one's actually painted black. And then I got a Cummins emblem, as you can see. Whoa. Focus. Okay, yeah. The Cummins logo. And then, let's see what else. Oh yeah. I got the HID factory switchback. Focus. Okay. The switchback lights, and they're absolutely bright. I haven't driven with them, but because I haven't been able to drive this truck yet because the bed is not fully on there. And yeah, so we're gonna be in a separate video. This is just going to be a quick update video for you guys to see how the truck's going right now. And yeah, we're also going to be getting a move bumper, a do-it-yourself bumper, so we're going to be welding it up ourselves and then put it on. I think I'm going to get the one that has the two cube slots, not the one with the big light bar in there, and then just put the front license plate and then the push bar. And then one of the bigger upgrades besides the bed is the Synergy track bar conversion to the the 2003 to 2008. As you can see, there's the bracket. This thing was a little tricky to install because I didn't have the right tools in hand, and I did it myself with a couple of friends, and about a week. It took about a week to do it because I work like 10 to last week, or when I was installing this, I was working 10 to 20 hours, so did not have time to mess with this. But it honestly is such a big improvement to the ride quality of the truck. It feels more solid. Yeah, it just feels more solid. You don't have that sloppy second gen feel, even though that I did it myself and needs an alignment because the steering wheel is a little crooked, but honestly it isn't a big deal right now. And this bag is the hoses for the fucking fuel. It needs to be hooked up, but I want to wait till I have everything else in order first because I don't want to rip that hose out. As you can see, it leaks diesel from time to time from right there. Not a big deal right now. And I have the process of taking that shit off. I was just peeling it off, but it seems like a lot of work right now and I don't want to do it. So I'm gonna wait on that because the plan for this right now is to wrap the roof gloss black, put some cab lights in it because you cannot have a dually, excuse me, not a dually, a tow pig, no cab lights. And the gloss black is just to make it look good, go with the panda theme for right now, and then put a CB antenna in the middle of the truck, or the middle of the roof. It should look pretty good. Other thing, we got an LED tinted third brake light, which looks good at night. I didn't think it worked at first, but it does actually, which someone pointed out. Okay, and for I actually got this done a while ago. Like honestly, like the first week of the truck. We put in the JL audio, 210s, and a custom box. I had these subs laying around from my 4th gen, if you guys remember. It had those. And then we put the JL audio, what is it again? It's like the JX, I think JX 500 1D, something like that. And the guys over there at Audio Tint Lab Ventura hooked it up with that. Amazing people. Honestly wouldn't go anywhere else to get my windows tinted because they do a fantastic job. These windows were already tinted, so I'm kind of cheap, so I don't want to redo them yet. Still debating on it. Okay, and then let's see what else. We got the gloss wrap roof, sorry, in black that we're gonna be getting, the CB antenna up there. Or no, yeah, it's gonna be on the roof. And then the cab lights. We're gonna get mud flaps for this thing. Even though it's not a dually, I just have a vision for this truck and it's gonna look pretty fucking good. It might take some money to get there, but that's why we work, right? Keep our trucks nice. And anyways, we're gonna get a side toolbox under here on each side to cover up the frame a bit and keep my shit in there, because if you guys own any type of single cab, you know you guys need room to put your shit in. That's also why I'm gonna get 92-gallon fuel tank with a toolbox combo right there. It's gonna be bolted down and that's gonna be looking pretty good. And for wheels and tires, that is still a secret. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna go with Raceline for sure. So we're gonna be getting Raceline wheels. I'm not gonna be showing you guys what kind, at least not yet. Alright, we gotta get a inside liner for this thing. We're gonna be getting the windshield tinted. And I think that's about it. And I think in the other video I posted I put in a cold start, so we're just gonna be merging the two videos together. And let me know if you guys have any questions about the truck. Comment, like, share, subscribe. It honestly helps. We got 5 subscribers, I think, in this week. And honestly, this thing's gonna look freaking good, so I suggest you tell your friends, share it on Facebook, send it through text, whatever. Just want to get this truck shown because it's going to be one of the cleanest single cab second gens out there. We might be doing a 6-speed swap in this thing. You never know. And we're gonna have towing videos on it. This thing's only getting started. So here's just a quick little update, and thank you guys for everything. And yeah, keep on watching the videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.